Hello, hello, and welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you for tuning in. I just want to come on here and tell you a little bit about the IMENA Collective, and I will not take up too much of your time. I'm just going to explain to you what the opportunity is and how to get involved. My name is Tammy C. I'm the owner of IMENA Inc., and we are a beauty and self-care business based in Manhattan. And we offer opportunity for stylists and salon owners to be a part of our group to make active money and passive money. So with that, let's get started. I'll tell you a little bit about my history. I've been a hairstylist now for about more than 10 years. I got started in the business in 2008, and I had my own salon in Manhattan for about 5 years. And then I turned the business virtual. We always went by a membership model. So in order to come to the salon, you had to become a member. And that was a really great way for me to offer something to my clients that was really unique and new. And yeah, so that's how we got started. And so now we're about to open up another space again. We'll be in Midtown, and the IMENA Collective is a great way to share the space with other stylists. A little bit more about me. I grew up in New York City. I'm the mother of a beautiful 4-year-old boy. I have a master's degree in social work as well as my cosmetology license. Um, I've written 2 books. One, the IMENA Natural Hair Care Techniques for All textbook, and then 10 Things All Entrepreneurs Need to Know, an ebook. Um, yeah, this has been a really fun ride. I love the beauty industry. I love what it does for people as far as giving them the freedom and control over their time and their money. And I just want to be um, in partnership with that. So yeah, so this is a great opportunity. I came up with the IMENA Collective idea because as a young person, like teenagers, early 20s, like I always had like long, beautiful hair. See, that's me in the photo there. But it was always a lot for people to do, or they acted like it was a lot for them to do. So I always got charged extra for things like length and density. So and back then too, like natural hair was not this big thing it is now. So I wanted to be able to provide an opportunity for people to come to the salon, not worry about price, and just focus on the service that they wanted to get. So that's how I came up with the concept of the IMENA membership. So our clients sign up, they pay one price, and then they book their service with any of the stylists in our collective group. And the stylists work either out of our location or their own location, or out of one of our partner salon locations. So this video is not about clients. Just know that the clients sign up, they become members, and then they pay to get service done. This video is really about stylists. So we're looking for a couple of great stylists to join our IMENA Collective in New York City specifically. We are opening up a location on 59th Street, and we're looking for people who want to be fed clients through our IMENA membership, and they also want to have a space to do their own clients. If you already have your own space, that's fine. You can still join. We can still feed you clients. But if you're looking for a space as well, then we have space that we can partner with you on and give you to do your own clients, as well as the clients that we give to you. So once you sign up for the IMENA Collective, you will have access to be put on our list. And when our client members go to look for service, they see your name on the list, where you're located, and then they can choose you for their hairstyling appointment. That's one aspect. The other aspect is if you already have a space of your own and you want to fill your chair, then stylists can choose your location to do work out of. And the best part of this whole program is our passive income program. So this is one of a kind. No one else is doing this anywhere. I'm so proud of this. A lot of times as stylists, we work and work and work until we can't work anymore. And the typical stylist doesn't do a fantastic job about putting money away for savings. We're always kind of on the grind. So our passive income program is really built so that stylists can focus on what they love to do when they want to do it, and also get paid when they're not behind the chair. So usually if you want to get paid when you're not behind the chair, you have to like create a class, or you have to own a salon and have other people working for you. That's usually how you stay in the bit, or you produce a product, which can be very expensive. And then you have to sell it. There's nothing really hands completely off. So what we've done is create a system where you get paid when you're not behind the chair, just for bringing and sharing the IMENA membership to people. So for instance, if you share like, oh, I'm part of this group, people sign up, they can pay one price and get their hair services done with different stylists. Let's say you give your business card to someone and, they sign up for the membership. From the moment they sign up, they are attached to you, right? They don't have to go to you for service. It's actually better if they don't, right? They're going to go to one of your other stylists, one of the other stylists in the collective. And when they go, you're going to get a small percentage of that appointment. You're also going to get a small percentage of their monthly membership fee. So monthly membership currently is $49 a month. And depending on when you're watching this video, it could be more, but at the time of this video, it's $49 a month. So you're going to get a portion of that monthly fee, and you're also going to get a portion of the appointment types that they book with another stylist. So I'll give you an example. Let's say Billy is a stylist. He met this girl with locks at an event. He's like, oh, your locks are beautiful. Billy doesn't do locks. Billy is a color specialist. But he tells this woman, let's call her Keisha. He tells Keisha with the locks about the IMENA membership. And she thinks that's cool. So she takes a picture of the QR code on his phone, which is embedded with his information from IMENA. And she's like, oh, I'll check this out later. 2 months from now, Keisha finally gets the chance to check out that QR code. So she goes to the link that's attached to the code, and she signs up for the IMENA membership because she thinks, oh, this is great. And so Billy, who doesn't even remember Keisha at this point, he will get paid when she signs up because there's a registration fee. So he'll get paid when she signs up. He'll also get paid when she's charged her monthly IMENA membership fee. And he'll also get paid again when she books her appointments, whether she's booking 1 appointment a month or 5 appointments a month. He'll get paid off of each one. And Billy has not touched Keisha. He hasn't spoken to her again. He doesn't keep up with Keisha. Keisha is now an IMENA member, and Billy is the one that shared the information with her. And so once she signs up through his link, we already know that she's attached to Billy. The most important thing to know too is like client members have friends, right? So it's very possible for Keisha to bring in more people, and if they're not attached to anyone, like referred by anyone, they automatically go to Billy. So this is a great way for you to make more money, while still doing what you love, but you don't have to do any more work, basically. And you're getting paid by just sharing a really great thing that is helpful to people, having them be a part of the IMENA membership and getting hair service that's really beautiful and upscale and using wonderful products is a nice thing for people. So you're sharing something that they can really, really benefit from, while making a passive income for yourself. So I don't want to keep this video too long. I just want to, come on here and make sure, I share this information with you guys. If you want more information, well, first, let me recap. So this is about the IMENA Collective. If you are a stylist looking for a place to do work with your clients or want to be fed our clients, so it's either or. So this is good for even new stylists starting out. If you don't have any clientele, that's perfectly fine. Send us an email, send it to imenainc@gmail.com, IMENAINC@gmail.com. Or you can go to imenainc.com, the website, and just click on the link to sign up to be a stylist. If you need more information, there is a drop, an email capture little box at the bottom of the page, and you can put your email in that way too, and we can contact you. But the best way is probably either through DM on Instagram at IMENA Inc. or just to the email address IMENAINC@gmail.com, saying I'm interested in the IMENA Collective. I just need more information. If what I said already sounds good to you and you just want to jump in, then go to the website, go to For Stylists tab and join that way. And you'll get a welcome email inviting you to the next steps to set up your profile and stuff on the website. But this was for stylists who want more control over their time. You want to make a passive income. You want to still be in business for yourself, but not by yourself. You want the support of a collective that is feeding you clients. And also we have educational classes that are free or low cost. So, if you want to learn a new skill, you can do that too as part of the IMENA Collective. Yeah, and if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm here. I'm the owner, and I'm here to answer any of your questions. I think that's it for now, and we'll talk soon. I hope to see you in the collective, and have a great day. Bye.